Okay, this is the Zero Drag dive flag. What I did was I took just a little $6 boogie board from Walmart and I built this PVC pipe piece with a lighter duty half-inch PVC pipe. At the ends, it just goes down to a cap to stay on. Same thing with this end, down to a cap. And then here, I went through the boogie board clip with 2 zip ties to a ring that you tie into, and I put that up towards the front of the boogie board so that it stays facing in that direction as you're diving. These pieces just go across to keep it sturdy so the flag doesn't lean left and right. And then I just did zip ties to make sure the flag will not come off. And what I did here was I just put a T going into it down to a cap and drilled a hole the size of the base of this dive flag. Stick the dive flag in and zip tie it on so it'll stay permanent. And what you wind up getting with this is full hydrodynamic functionality versus a heavy weight and a bobbing, floating dive flag. This thing will just cut across the top of the water. It'll follow you the whole time. It's very difficult to flip, so it's not just going to flip on you as soon as a wave hits it. It's going to have to be pretty choppy for it to flip. And so when you're diving, you won't feel any pull behind you from the flag. And if you get a bunch of fish, you can hang them from the ring as well, or you can lay them on top of it. If you get a lobster bag full, you can lay it up here and clip it to the flag, and it'll just sit on the top, and then you won't have drag from your lobsters. Very, very functional. One of my better diving inventions.